So, hello friends, I hope you're doing well. AI will destroy this complete education system. Once again, AI will destroy this complete education system. Let me tell you how. You might be thinking that AI is a big problem for us, for the humanity. Yes, according to you, it might be. But let me tell you one important thing this AI is all about data. For example, if I have a data of 10th class, if I have a data of 12th class, then I can generate anything based on the generative AI. So at the end, it's all about data. And data we can easily collect it because of the digitalization. Hence, AI can easily destroy this whole education system because the root of this education system is all about theory, or you can say rote learning. There was it was never be a practical education. Either government of India has to take the initiative to go for the practical education where AI can't replace it. Since in practical education you need to think, you need to add your creativity, innovation. But where we need to just remember and write it down and get the 10 CGPA, 95 percentage, there it's all about rote learning. So these things can be easily automated with the help of generative AI. And let me tell you one more thing, generative AI is all about data. I'm giving you a brief about the generative AI. Generative AI is like you are training a model based on the data set or the past data set, and based on the past data you are creating some pattern, and based on the prompts, based on the questions, the data which you have trained, the model which you have trained on the data, it will try to create the results for the user. And these results are like self learning. They are experiential learning, means with time the results are also optimizing. So can you imagine there will be a time where the whole education system, which is itself in the rote learning, can be easily automated. Hence, we can conclude that if you are not focusing on the practical education, so there is no significance for this education system. So my friend, you need to either go for the practical education or just be the part of this foolish or a useless education system. One more thing I want to convey here is the power of AI. If you understand, or you can say, if you have a good understanding of AI, then you will always be having a advantage over the other crowds. What I mean to say here is, no matter in which profession you are, no matter in which class you are, in which age group you are, but you know how to write better prompts. Basically, it's come under the prompt engineering part. What it means is you have a magician, or you have a direct communication with the god. So my friend, it's like you have a universal powerful person. It might be a god, it might be of anything. He can do anything for you. But if you don't know how to utilize this, then it's a problem. So it's just like AI. You have a AI, or you can say technically LLM model, large language model, or you can say generative AI. You have that. If you don't know how to write better prompts, if you don't know how to utilize that particular AI, then there is a problem. So, my friend, firstly, focus on practical education, because practical education can't be easily removed by the AI or diminished by the AI. Here we need a human intelligence. Here we need a innovation or thinking part which only human can do. For example, you are a CSE student, second year student. There is a one subject where we need to open the complete CPU parts and analyze all the parts. Definitely, these based on the theoretical perspective, AI will having the answer, like on the motherboard, what are the components are. But if the education will be based on the practical, means on the particular subject, you don't need to just write, or you don't need to just go for the MST midterm test. You need to open the complete CPU, and there you have to assemble it. You have to showcase what are the parts. If you are able to do it, you got the 100 out of 100. If this types of education will be implemented, then AI will not replace it. I hope you are able to get my point. Since AI will not open the screw for you, AI will not remove the SMPS for you, switch mode power supply. You need to do it. Hence, you need to focus on practical education. If you are not focusing in, then mark my words, 5 years down the line, you'll be just waste because of this education system. You'll be just a part of, you will be just a garbage. Mark my words. So, my friends, focus on practical education, and you need to, since AI will be getting very badly into the whole world. Second point, learn the power of AI. Learn prompt engineering, how to write better prompts, how to take better output, better results from the AI. I'm not saying try to learn, go for coding, go for like hardcore coding. No, just try to learn the power of AI. Try to understand how to use AI. These things will give you immense results as comparison to other people who are trying to just go for normal things. So I hope you are able to understand what exactly I'm saying. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Keep learning and keep smiling.